Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. I get a lot of emails and questions. What do you think, Doc, about the Harley-Davidson 128 and the 131 motor kit? I like it. All right, I just finished putting this kit in a 2018 107 cubic inch touring machine. And wow, what a difference between 107 cubic inch and 128 cubic inches. It really loves to stretch its legs on the highway. Is it a tire shredder? I can't tell you because I'm just starting to break it in and tune it in. But boy, it felt good while I was putting the 25 miles on and just letting it stretch its legs just a little bit. I also get a lot of questions on, Doc, for my money, I want a powerful motor. Should I have it built with this company? Should I put this in? Should I put this cam in? Should I do this and that? Wow, guys. And could the 128 and the 131 be more powerful? Yes. All right. Yes, you could put a aftermarket cam in it, or you could build another different 128 or 131 and get more power than the Harley-Davidson one. But there is one big reason I'm doing this video why someone would do the 128 or the 131 or the new kits that are coming out for the 122 and for all the Milwaukee 8s and the new bikes that are coming out. The reason you do this is because of warranty. Let me say that again. The reason you do this is because of warranty. In the past, if you bought a brand new motorcycle and you put this engine kit in your brand new motorcycle within 60 days, then it's covered as long as your factory warranty. That's 2 years of a 128 kit. If anything goes wrong, it's covered under factory warranty. We're finding out that the extended service plan companies, since it's all Harley-Davidson products, are accepting this kit for continued on. So you could put a 128, 131 kit in your Harley-Davidson and for up to 7 years be covered. I have dealt with a lot of aftermarket parts. I'm guilty. I have a complete aftermarket kit in my 2013 because I wanted it to be fast and good and I really love it. But at the end of all the product instruction sheets, it says for race and off-road use only, and there is no warranty. Yeah, your local shop may say 90-day warranty. Okay. Versus 2 years, 7 years, maybe even longer if the extended service program is kept up. Warranty is a big reason for this. Also, you guys that tour, man, I get a lot of emails for you guys that do 50,000, 100,000, close to 200,000 miles. You go everywhere. You go to every hog rally. When you go on a trip and you got a 128 kit in it, you want confidence that if a lifter would go, a bent push rod, something would go wrong. You could go to your local Harley-Davidson dealership. They can see that it was put in at a certain date. You've got warranty, and they have Harley-Davidson parts. You put in an aftermarket part in your motorcycle and you go on a long trip and it fails or something else fails because of it, are they going to have the aftermarket parts? And all that labor and parts is on you. So my biggest push for, do I like the 128 and the 131 kit? Yes, I do, because one, the factory designed it for their motorcycle, and two, it is covered under your warranty. So I can put this in your motorcycle with complete confidence that wherever you go, whatever you do, as long as you keep the stock parts in and everything that Harley-Davidson put in it, that includes this exhaust header, their heads, their cam, lifters, and everything else that goes in this kit, and don't substitute anything for it, all this is covered under your warranty. That's what I wanted to cover in this video. Yes, you can build something bigger. You can have your local shop build something faster than this. But call them when you're in Colorado and say, hey, will you send the money to pay for the labor and the cost of parts for fixing my motorcycle? Ask them about that. Until then, I'm going to push the Harley-Davidson kit because I know it's covered under warranty. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.